Hello, welcome to Let's Install Linux. In today's video, we are going to be installing Zorin OS. Let's go open a browser, Brave browser, and we will go to zorin.com/os/. Get to this page, and we will go download, and we will skip this and go down to the Zorin OS 18 core. If you want to pay the $47.99 for it, you get extra to contribute to it and technical support and some extra layouts. But that's up to you if you want to do that. For this video, we're just going to go ahead and download the core version. So click core, and you're more than welcome to sign up to their newsletter. And we're going to skip, and then I've already downloaded it, save some time, but you will click save and download the ISO, and we'll go to raspberrypi.com/software and get the Raspberry Pi imager, and we'll download for Linux. You can download for your machine, and you'll just click save. I've already got it, and we can close Brave browser and go to the start menu, type in imager, and we'll open up Raspberry Pi imager. And now we can go ahead and plug in a USB drive, 8 gigabytes or bigger. All right, there it is. And in Raspberry Pi imager, just you'll come to this screen and scroll down to the bottom, no filtering, and next, and then again scroll down to the bottom and say use custom, downloads, Zorin, and open, and next. And now we want to select our USB, that one, and next, and then verify that that's the right USB and image, and click right. And I've already done this step, so you can go ahead and click I understand erase and write. And then once it's finished writing, go ahead and click finish. And if you are installing on a different machine, you're going to want to safely remove and eject the USB from the machine and install it on the other machine. We're going to keep it in this machine because we are going to be installing on this machine. So next we'll go ahead and restart, and restart now, and now we get ready to push the F12 button or whatever your boot selection button is. Mine is F12, and just pretty much smash it until the boot selection comes up. There it is. And I'll select our vendor co-product USB and push enter. And we are going to try or install Zorin OS. And if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, I guess go ahead and select NVIDIA graphics. Should be pretty much the same. And mine, the green screen, something to do with the capture card. I don't really understand why it does that. And then this system check takes approximately 6 to 7 minutes. So I'll just sit and wait till it finishes. You're more than welcome to skip ahead. And if you don't want to do this, you can also cancel and move on to the next thing. But we're going to go ahead and go through it just to show you how everything works. Halfway there. And it's taking its time, huh? They're almost 3/4 of the way there. And 17 more percent. 15. Just about finished. 92. And just about complete. 97, 98. And done. No errors, that's good. Now we should be moving into a live installer. And there it is. And it's loading something up. Alright, we'll go ahead and select your language and go ahead and click install. And then you want to select your keyboard layout. I selected mine fine, so we'll continue. And nope, I do not want to connect to Wi-Fi. And continue. And yes, we'll install. And continue. Don't know why it says that's whited out, but we'll update the system later after it installs. And no, I don't want you next to my other install, so we'll go ahead and erase the whole disk and continue. And if you have multiple disks like I do, you want to be very vigilant on selecting the correct one. We're going to install this on SDB 120 gig ATA Patriot Burst Elites. Just make sure you have that selected correctly if you have multiple ones, because you can delete some. I've done it before. You can delete your whole drive and it really screws things up. And that's the right one. So install now. And then we will verify all the information, and that looks all correct and good. So we will click continue. And then you want to select your nearest time zone. So mine's in Boise, so continue. And name your computer. Let's name it Zorin. Then Zorin OS for the name of the computer. And yep, that'll work. And then put in a password. I'm going to go ahead and log in automatically. You don't have to. You can sign. I recommend signing in every time, but for demonstration purposes, we're going to log in automatically. And continue. And now we're coming to the installation. And this takes anywhere from 13 to 15 minutes to install. Should be pretty quick. You're welcome to go ahead and skip this if you want to. I just let it go to show you what it is like to actually install things. And okay, so about 7 minutes. There's nothing pertinent we could do right now, so go ahead and see what's going on. Since there is no slideshow or nothing, just installer. Jeez, it's taking its time. So far, it's working. Kind of a plain installer here. Nothing to really report on or do. It's doing its thing. Excuse me. Four and a half minutes left. Hmm. So far, this is one of the slower installers I've had to deal with. It is taking its sweet time. I said it was 4.5 minutes a minute ago. Jeez, even at 20 megabyte a second download rate, it's still slow here. I don't know why it's so slow. Hmm. 2.5 minutes left for downloading. Really? It's gonna jump back up to 7 minutes. Jeez. Hmm. Hell, come on. Yeah, probably a few more minutes remaining on the downloading. This thing doesn't seem very accurate. to the installing. Nice. Hmm. Nice. Just about there. 75%. And we're downloading some more stuff, I guess. Oh. Huh. Now this is an interesting installation, isn't it? Okay. I'm just about finished here. Alright, now that it's finished installing, we'll go ahead and select restart now and get ready to pull a USB out of the machine. There'll be a screen that pops up. Let's get a, there it is, to remove the installation and push enter. And now we should be booting into Zorin OS desktop. There it is. And yep, latest one, Zorin OS. All right, there it goes. It's going. And there it is. All right. Yeah, sure, we'll start the tour. And we have sound. Next. Okay. Zorin appearance. You can make an online account. You can link your phone if you want to. Software Center. We actually probably should go there and update this machine. Let's just see what the last card is. Okay. Let's go ahead and open software and updates. Says we're up to date. Okay. checked or anything. Nope. Okay. Let's go check out. Oh, I was just asking. And we'll go ahead and install now. That's kind of odd that I was looking for it and it wasn't in there. And then this little pop-up says that there's just updates. Quirky. Okay, there was quite a few updates, huh? I do like the fact that they have Brave Browser as their default. That's a really nice thing. Nice. Let it finish its update. And it wants to restart. Okay. We'll go ahead and restart. And then this will see how fast it actually starts up. And will it start up without me selecting? Looks like it will. And we're startup takes about 35, 40 seconds. Not bad. Okay. Looks like we're all up to date and everything. Let's see about page. And it looks like it picked up some of my hardware. System details. And it picked up all the hardware. Okay. So that's good. And next, let's go ahead and I'm going to change the appearance to dark. Yeah, that's much better on the eyeballs. Okay. And then let's go check out Bluetooth. And it does look like it is working. Let's see if we can pair our Xbox controller to it. And it's in pair mode. And there it is. And we'll select it. And it's connected. And it works. Okay. So Bluetooth works. Sound works. All the drivers look good. Let's go to Files. And it mounted our drives already. Okay, let's go to other locations. Yep. And see about talking. We'll go to SMB and see about talking to other computers. We'll go to L drive. And it looks like it more than likely is talking. Let's see about signing in. And yep, there it is. And there's our testing document. Let's see if we can't just open it. Oh. Yeah, Zorin OS is working. There you go. And we'll go like this too, just to, and then, oh, open it with the text editor. Save it and exit. We'll cut and we'll paste it in here and we'll replace. And then, okay, cool. Networking is working as it should. And we can, so we don't go back to that same area. I'm going to open it again. And now let's go ahead and open up the software store and install in some Steam. Let's get some Steam. They have Steam? They have Steam. Okay. And we do not want to install from FlatHub. I always try to get from the operating system maintainers install first before you start using Flatpak app image or snaps. So we'll click install, put in our password. Okay, seems like it's working. And Steam always takes a moment to get going, but it is a very powerful program. So we'll go ahead and open and install. So far, not a bad experience. The installer is a little iffy. It works. It's a little iffy, but the operating itself, it's not bad, and it's installing applications just fine so far. Let's see how it does on Windows apps. Here, after we get some Steam going, we'll install a Windows app and play a game. And that's Zorin's whole thing, is we can run Windows apps. Let's see. And it's almost finished. 413. A few more to go. need my phone. Okay, what was that about? I don't know why it just crashed, didn't it? Okay, that's a point against Zorin. So, do we get Steam or no? And open Steam, and here you're gonna have to create an account or log into your account. And I will sign in with the app. And nope. And no, this is just for test purposes. And just to show you that the library is empty. Nothing in there. And go to settings. And storage. And we'll add a drive. Select our Win apps. Add. And go back up to there and then make sure we select Win apps. And we want to make that default. Okay, we're done in here. And next, to add a Windows application. What are you looking at here? Need to go to our WinApps drive. Program files, Rockstar Games, Launcher exe. And if you want to learn how to install Windows apps on Linux, watch my video on that. Link will be in the description. We'll go add selected. And we'll go to launcher and manage. And then properties. Properties. There it is. And we'll select compatibility. And we'll force the hotfix. Make sure it's selected. Okay, exit. And play. Now it's downloading the runtime and the hotfix, so it'll take a couple more minutes here. This is the best way I've found to run Windows apps on Linux. It's freaking simple and easy, and it's clean. There it is, downloading our hotfix. And it's almost done. Come on, let's finish this up. Almost there, 5% more. 2, 1, it's installing. There it goes. Now Rockstar's launcher should be opening here in just a moment. There it is. And now we'll have to log into Rockstar Game Launcher. And I always select auto sign. And then anyways, just for ease of access of things. And we'll push OK and accept. And give it a moment and it should find, I have, GTA 5, Red Dead Redemption 1 and 2. There it is. Looks like it found all my stuff. Our controller's connected. Let's go ahead and play. And, oh, okay. Guess we gotta download an update. There we go. It's gonna auto start or, okay, no. Let's go ahead and play. Yep. And looks like it's launching. Cool. Right on, we got GTA 5 from our Rockstar account playing on Linux through the Rockstar game app for Windows. But you cannot play online this way. It just doesn't work. Rockstar blocks Linux, the Linux OS kernel, from playing online. But you can play your story just fine. And I'll go ahead and show you that. Just about there. There we are. And I'm pretty early in this story, but go for a little drag and kill somebody. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. But yeah, as you can see, it is working, running very, very well. Doesn't look all that great with the capture card, but I do know this runs very well at 4K with all the whistles and bells and all that. Let's assassinate this guy here. And just to show you that everything kind of just works. And yeah, I got some chaos going here. Oh, did I just blow up my own car? I did. Oh well. Cops are really slow. You'll never catch me, coward. That's what I'm looking for. Just a little bit further. Oh, they got me. So yeah, there you go. That's Grand Theft Auto 5. Playing on Linux through the Windows app. And go ahead and quit the game. No saving involved. Yep, that's fine. And so that's Zorin OS. It's not a bad operating system. It does work. And I would recommend this for newer users. It's pretty Windows familiar, but I would still recommend Debian with KDE Plasma over this is for first time users. It's just so nice and easy to use, and everything just makes sense in that operating system, and it's very stable. I've never had an issue with it, and I've been using it for over a year now. But as far as Zorin OS goes, it's a good operating system. Thank you for watching today's video until the end of it. You have a wonderful day, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.